Hey guys, and I've got the first hands-on and look at Motorola's new Moto G8 Plus that they announced a few hours back. So I'm just gonna run over the specifications, features and my impressions after having it for a few days. Also, if you guys have any questions about the Moto G8 Plus, comment down. I'll try to answer them all. So on the back panel we have plastic finish, which is plastic but looks like glass. The Moto G6, Moto G7 was having glass panel, so that's kinda downgrade I would say. It comes in few different gradient color options including this cosmic blue. There is also crystal pink which looks amazing. So I think the biggest visual difference you'll notice is the triple camera setup. This right here is a 48 megapixel main shooter with f1.7 aperture, 16 megapixel wide angle action camera which can take some decent videos but cannot take the wide angle images, and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. Here are some shots I took with the new Moto G8 Plus, and as you can see the images looks really decent. It has great saturation, decent dynamic range. Most disappointing part is the wide angle action camera cannot take wide angle images. I hope they can fix it and enable it with the software in future, but as of now you can take wide angle videos using that action cam. There's also night mode which is impressive. It turns crap images to great looking images. So on front there's this 6.3 inches Full HD plus 19:9 LCD panel which gets super bright. There is noticeable top and chin. Top is there for a reason. I mean, it's having stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos which is super clear and loud. Also there is a 25 megapixel selfie shooter which can take some sharp and decent looking images. Inside this Moto G8 Plus you get the Snapdragon 665 CPU which is also there in the Xiaomi Mi A3. There is this 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage which you can expand with the micro SD card slot. Now this Moto G8 Plus is not an Android 1 device, but it will surely get Android 10 which is the latest. Right now, it runs on pure Android Pie with some classic Moto gestures like chop chop for flashlight, twist for camera, and it's not having any ads or preloaded bloatwares. Battery is 4000 mAh in the Moto G8 Plus, and that is something we all were waiting for. I mean, the last Moto G smartphones, the Moto G Plus were having small battery, so that's kinda a huge upgrade. I mean, it's also having the 15 watts fast charger. There is no 18 watt or something. And that's all my first impressions and look at the Moto G8 Plus. Nice looking phone with decent specifications. I'll see you guys in the next one and peace out.